From routine oil changes to spark plug replacements, regular auto maintenance includes it all. The throttle body service is a necessary but frequently disregarded task. Even though it's crucial to perform on occasion, very few people do so until something goes wrong. In this video, we examine the reasons for getting regular throttle body service. We also go over the basic procedures for cleaning the car's throttle body yourself and how frequently it should be done. What is throttle body service? Cleaning the throttle blade and bore is part of throttle body maintenance. Any dirt or debris in the body can reduce power and acceleration because the throttle controls the airflow. The engine should run cleaner and more smoothly after cleaning. The majority of people decide to clean the throttle body in their home garage. Visiting a professional shop is only necessary if you are unsure of what to do, because there are specific products made for this task. How often should I get throttle body service? Although the majority of manufacturers do not specify a recommended interval, some individuals advise having the throttle body serviced every 75,000 miles. Rather, it's crucial to think about the service whenever you observe any signs that the throttle body is unclean. Any dirt accumulation that needs to be cleaned up will be discovered during a physical examination. Performance problems should also become apparent as the throttle body gets contaminated. The idle may get rougher or higher. Additionally, the car might have trouble accelerating. You may notice a decrease in fuel efficiency, and the check engine light may illuminate when the motor isn't operating properly. Is throttle body service needed? The throttle body service is most likely not required if the vehicle is operating flawlessly. Nonetheless, maintaining a clean throttle body has several advantages. There is an air intake system in your car. Air is drawn into the combustion chamber from the surrounding environment by this system. Fuel and drawn-in air are combined to provide the right balance for combustion. The amount of air added to the fuel is influenced by the throttle body. The air-fuel ratio will become unbalanced if carbon deposits contaminate or dirty the throttle body, preventing the proper amount of air from being added. The engine will be rough as a result, and you might end up spending more money on fuel than necessary. The throttle body is easy to clean, so it makes sense to include it in your routine maintenance schedule. Actually, if you use the proper cleaning supplies, you can do it yourself. How to clean the throttle body. Here are a few steps on how to clean your throttle body at home. 1. Prepare materials. You must select the appropriate cleaning supplies before beginning to clean the throttle body. Since there are many different throttle body cleaners available online, you should always read customer reviews to choose the best one. You should also gather some protective equipment. I advise wearing eye protection and gloves. Wearing clothing that covers your body is also beneficial because the products may cause skin irritation. Make sure the car is parked on level ground before continuing. Additionally, because the products are flammable, you should be outside. There should be enough light to finish the task if you are working during the day. 2. Find the throttle body. The throttle body is located between the intake manifold and air cleaner. Usually, aluminum or another metal is used to make it. Please ask a friend to depress the accelerator while the motor is off if you are having problems finding it. The shaft should move, which aids in identification because the throttle body has a direct connection to the gas pedal. 3. Remove air duct. To be safe, remove the ground terminal from the battery before proceeding. The electrical wires and hoses that are connected to the throttle body must also be removed, but you should mark them so you know where they go. 4. Spray cleaner. You are prepared to spray your cleaner into the throttle body's air duct after donning your safety glasses and rubber gloves. A brush can also be used to remove dirt and deposits. You can use paper towels to clean the surface. Use a flashlight if the interior is difficult to see. A cotton swab is also useful because it can get into confined spaces. The cleaner can be directly applied to the cotton swab. You want to use paper towels to clean up any cleaner spills. 5. Reassemble the vehicle. It's time to reassemble everything after the throttle body has been cleaned. All of the previously disconnected ducts should be connected again. To guarantee security, you must also tighten the clamps. 6. Take a test drive. Allowing the car to warm up is crucial. Before taking a test drive, the engine should be allowed to idle for approximately 5 minutes. You should notice some changes in the engine's operation during the test drive. Additionally, you might not notice anything at all, particularly if you did routine maintenance to keep up with the dirt and grime accumulation. Everything relies on how unclean and clogged the throttle body was in the first place. Hope the information is helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.